It is back to school coverage this morning on something that could actually hurt your kids, something you probably don't think about a whole lot. Dr. Brad Blitzstein is a Powell chiropractor, and he's here with Sylvia Nix. There she is. Hi, Sylvia. Good to see you. And Sylvia's going into the 7th grade. Doctor, I hadn't given it much thought, but these guys, these book bags, really can cause injuries. And I want to share this with all of our parents at home. This statistic shocked me. 2003, 21,000 visits to the ER because of those guys?
Yeah, that's right. Too much weight can put too much stress on their spine and nervous system. A child should carry no more than 10 to 15% of their body weight. So if she's a 90-pound child, she's carrying 15 pounds, that's too heavy. And it's important to address these health issues early before they become bigger issues and harder to correct.
Yeah, and you said, some of the advice is real simple stuff you don't think about. Get the backpack on, get it stuck, and get on the scale.
That's right. There's some safety features you want to look for. You want some nice wide shoulder straps. This has some nice wide S-shaped shoulder straps with some air-filled chambers here.
Okay, what does S-shaped mean for?
Well, it helps distribute the load across the chest a little bit better.
Okay.
You want to avoid the narrow straps, which can dig into the shoulders, cause neck or nerve damage, and subluxations in the spine.
Okay, you said, too, that compartments can really help because it'll kind of even out some of that weight for us.
That's right. Some of the bags have multiple compartments. You want to load the heavier items closer to the body.
Oh, okay.
It's important to wear both shoulder straps. Now, I know some kids are very sensitive to looking uncool. They want to wear it.
Every kid is, Doc.
So at the very least, have them wear both straps to and from the bus stop.
I do that all the time, just kind of swing it over one shoulder bad.
That's another thing. They can injure their spine, striking themselves in the back by swinging it too wildly.
Okay, and you mentioned, too, in your notes that I was reading this morning, and Sylvia, going to ask you this. Just ask your kids, how does it feel? How does it feel?
Right now it feels really...
It feels okay, and they'll tell you, right, if it's really putting a load on?
Yeah, you'll see. You want to look at them. If they're leaning too far forward, the weight's probably too heavy. They're trying to counterbalance the weight.
Okay.
You can look at them without the bag. Is one shoulder always lower or higher than the other? Is their head tilted to one side or carried too far forward? A lot of parents, mothers are very surprised to find out that their kids have chronic neck or back pain.
Wow. Okay, well, thank you guys so much. You look fantastic. I love your backpack. It looks great, and we want to let folks know, too, you have a special school supply drive that can benefit not only a school here in Central Ohio, but it can benefit your kids because you'll check them out.
Yeah, every year we do a school supply drive. We do the complete thorough exam consultation. We do a backpack inspection.
Okay.
And we found out that most schools need school supplies, and we're willing to do that in our office for donation of school supplies.
Okay, so when you're doing your shopping, $20, and the doc will give you a complete exam. Look at you in that posture. I think this is where I went wrong,
Doc. A little tightly here.
All right, we are set for school. You look fantastic. Good luck as you head into the 7th grade.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Dr.
so much
for being with us, guys.
All right, thanks.